The beautiful island paradise of Cozumel, January 29, 2023. The beautiful island paradise of Cozumel. The island of Cozumel is located in the Caribbean Sea, just a short ferry ride from the mainland city of Playa del Carmen. And what a magnificent island it is, surrounded by crystal clear waters, dotted with lush green palms, and basked in the warm sun. It is no wonder that the island is a popular destination for travelers from far and wide. But let's talk about the adventures that awaited me in Cozumel. First, I had the chance to dive into the crystal clear waters and explore the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the second largest coral reef system in the world. I tell you, it was a sight to behold. Colorful fish and sea turtles swam about, and the coral formations were a rainbow of hues. I even spotted a majestic sea turtle who swam right up to me, as if to say hello. Next, I journeyed to the ruins of the ancient Mayan civilization. I explored the remains of temples and pyramids that date back centuries and marveled at the impressive architectural feats of these ancient people. I especially loved visiting the San Gervasio Mayan ruin, a major center of worship for the goddess Ixchel, where I could almost hear the echoes of the prayers and offerings made to her in times long gone. When I wasn't exploring ancient ruins or diving into the sea, I was relaxing on the island's many white sandy beaches. I lounged in the sun, soaking up the warm rays and feeling the stress of the world melt away. And when the sun set, I made my way to Cozumel's vibrant nightlife scene, where I raised a glass, or two, to the joys of island life. But the adventures in Cozumel didn't end there. I also had the chance to go ziplining, take an ATV tour, and even go on a glass-bottomed boat tour. The scenery was breathtaking and the thrill of the adventure was just what I needed to feel alive. In conclusion, I must say that Cozumel is a destination that offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking to explore ancient ruins, relax on the beach, or dive into the crystal clear waters, you'll find it all in this tropical paradise. I, for one, cannot wait to go back and experience more of the adventures that this island has to offer. Related.